What's going on, guys? It's me again, Rapi Yaku from Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can design with Adobe Illustrator and how you can mock up your design in Adobe Photoshop. So this is going to be a combination of Illustrator and combination of PSD mockup. So right here, you can see right here, I've already made this design using my Illustrator. So all you have to do is to first thing first, you have to go to File and make sure you save your file as Illustrator file. Okay, so when you save it as Illustrator file, then you have to click on Save. Then you come back to your Photoshop PSD file, just like what you see right here. So now I want to mock up this particular the roll up in this particular PSD file mockup. So first thing for when you open up your mockup, this particular mockup here, I'm going to put the download link in the description of this video. Please check it out so you can download the mockup and then see how you can actually use the mockup when you eventually do your design in Illustrator. So finally, you have to open up you have to open up your PSD file mockup. When you open it up, you have to see where you are. You see this project right here. So all you have to do is to double click on this thumbnail. So when you double click on this thumbnail, it's open up in another page where you guys can place your new design. So when it's open up this way, you have to go to File again. So you click on File. Then you have to look for Place Embedded. So and then at this point here, you have to look for where you save the design. So I have this design on my desktop. Okay, so here's the design right here. You can see it is Illustrator file. So all you have to do is to select the file. When you select the file, click on Place. So it will automatically place on this particular mockup. So just like what you see right here, the next thing you have to do is to just click on OK. Click on OK. So when you click on OK, it's going to place on this mockup. Then you can adjust and see some of the things you will need to change from the design or from the mockup. So right here, you can. So I'm going to expand the size. Just press Enter key on my keyboard. Clicking on here just to accept the transform. And then right here, the next thing I'm going to do is to create a white background for this particular stuff because it's going to be on a PNG placement. Okay, so you have to make sure you create a background. So it's as simple as that. You're going to come down here and select the rectangular tools. So when you select the rectangular tools, you have to come to the top here in case the default is in a different color. So right here, I have to change this to white background and white background. Then I have to remove the stroke on this point here. So no stroke. Then you now draw all over way down this way. Okay. Then you're going to have it this way. So eventually when you are able to place your design, next thing you have to do is to click on this close right here. So you click on that, it asks you yes or no, click on yes. Then automatically it's going to save and place your design on the mockup without any stress. So let's take a look. Boom. So right here you can see our design has been perfectly placed on this particular mockup right here. So one more thing we can do here is that we can change the background color. So we'll be able to, our design will pop out from the particular background color. So for you to change the background color, you have to come down here and double click on this background thumbnail here. So where you see background color, then you can begin to play around with the type of color you would like to have for the background, just for your design to pop out of the background. As simple as that. So you can begin to play with the color of your choice. Okay. think I'm good with this particular color right here. So once you are satisfied with the color, you click on OK and save your file in whatever file format, whether JPEG or PNG or whatever file of your choice. So this is how you can use Illustrator design in Adobe Photoshop mockup without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, and don't forget to check the description of this video to connect with the download link of some of the mockup I use on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.